2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It has Evap problem. See those pieces? I believe this car have a leak detection pump, right?
No, this is like ESIM audio.
ESIM. Okay, so let's go see. We have EISM module. It's sitting here. Oh, this one. Okay. And this can go bad and create all this problem, right? So now, do you try to put it?
Small leak.
Okay, so what do you get now? You get this one? But here is what happening. In this car here, normally they change everything. They don't change only this. Where did the leak come from?
This
So,
module.
so we can get this module, right?
Yeah, the order.
So the order. So you're gonna change only this. When you put it in, coming from here. Let me see. Wow. So everything there, the rest are good. So maybe mine also we need to change this. Because I have the same car. We have an Evap leak too. Okay. So they went to get it?
Yeah, I think they're going to go. Ray, what happened to this? Coming today?
We're going to pick it up now.
All right.
By the dealer.
I don't know if they sell only this one.
Yeah, that's not alone.
Yeah.
Which dealer? By Jeep?
Yeah. Then we're going
Okay, hey, who's going?
to...
Hold on.